it showed the students, that you could dream really big, and there was no real assurances that we were going to be able to accomplish that task.
It was so fun just to have a small community work on this.
It made me feel like I was very inventive.
It inspired me to take a class next semester.
So what we have is a mixed media project by the artist Leslie Iwai, made in collaboration with students and faculty members in the department. The project is comprised of many different components and materials, ranging from screen printing to paper sculpture to metal fabrication.
When Creative Imperatives approached me about doing a project, they were like, let's go big. Let's show the students, how to really get their heads around the work it takes to make something bigger. Is a chance to really kind of add a whole nother dimension to this body of work.
It's not always that you get to work with a professional artist when you're still a student, so it's really exciting to see the process.
It was very interesting making the materials to try and work through this process with the screen printing, and the screen was almost 5 feet tall. I couldn't see past the board if I stood it up.
Something this complex does have a lot of moving pieces to it. It does look very simple, but every little detail was taken into consideration.
She came in with the idea of the clouds, but say something didn't print right, or the paper got folded wrong, or there was a hole. She was fine with that. She's okay with that. So having that freedom to mess up, it was nice to have.
When we hit a roadblock, when something didn't work, nobody was upset about it. It was exciting to figure out a solution.
I felt like this is something that's kind of a new area for me as an artist to keep diving into. So beyond bringing something to the students, the project has opened up a whole different part of design for me.
I'm so glad that I got to be a part of it. I hope that I can do something collaborative with another artist relatively soon.
I'm really eager to try to offer more opportunities like this for the students because of the benefit.